Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making Dilly Salmon burgers with a cucumber salad. So we have our food processor set up. We have a pan heating over medium heat. And the first thing we want to do is mix our dressing. So we've got 2 tablespoons fresh squeezed lemon juice. Okay, we have yogurt. All right, we have some Dijon mustard. We have a garlic clove, salt, and sugar. And we have some fresh herbs. We have some mint and some dill. All right, we're gonna whiz this up in the food processor. All right. All right, that's mixed. All right, the next step, I've cut the ends off of my cucumber here. I just want to take a vegetable peeler and we're looking for really thin strips. So you're going to take off that first layer there. Just long, thin strips like that. All right, so once you start getting into the seeds, you want to flip it around to the other side. Preferably, you'd use a seedless cucumber, but if you can't get a hold of one, these will work fine. You can save any of the rest of it, chop it up and throw it in a salad. All right. So now, at this point, all that's left to do with our cucumbers and our onions. I've got our long, thin strands of cucumber there. I have some very thinly sliced red onion. All right, now to this, we want to add our dressing. Just kind of loosely toss this together. All right, you can allow that to set or you can throw it in the fridge while we finish the rest of the dish. Okay, now we have some salmon. We did this in the food processor. You could do this by hand. It'll take a little bit longer, but it's just as easy to cube your salmon, throw it in the processor, whiz it up, or if your market has ground salmon, you can go that route as well. All right, so we have some dill in the bottom of our bowl, going in with our salmon. We have a lightly beaten egg. We have breadcrumb, fresh cracked black pepper, pinch of salt. And you just want to mix all of this together. And we're going to form patties. All right, you can see that everything is nicely combined. So now we're ready to begin forming patties. And if you find you need a little bit more breadcrumb to work with, you can always add. As simple as that. Just repeat the process. All right, so now we're ready to begin cooking our salmon patties. All right, we're ready to flip our salmon patties. Let me go ahead ahead and go in with the other. All right, at this point, our salmon patties are done. Can pull them out. All there is left to do is to plate and serve. So we'll plate it up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.